chicken broast, two ways. In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. My heartiest greetings to all my viewers, and welcome back to my channel Serenity Cuisine. Today I am sharing with you how to make chicken broast. After trying this, you will always wish to cook chicken this way. It's a full of flavor and juicy chicken broast recipe. So let's start making this mouth-watering recipe. First of all, I will apply tikka masala all over the chicken inside out. Take 100 grams of yogurt. Now add ready-made tikka masala. Add 1/4 if you like less spicy. Add tamarind water. Soak dry tamarind, almost 20 in warm water and make this water. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well everything together. Now fill this inside the whole chicken with the help of marinade injection. Now fry the chicken in oil for 5 minutes so that the outer surface become golden brown. I am using mustard oil for frying. If you are watching my recipe for the first time, please subscribe or follow my channel for receiving my recipes in future. Flip to fry the chicken on all sides for a golden crust. Now put this chicken in aluminum foil. Apply cuts so that the marinade penetrates into the chicken for enhanced flavors. Pour the remaining marination on the chicken and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Apply the marination all over the chicken. If you reach this section of recipe, receive a special thanks. Give a thumbs up as it will help me reach more viewers. Now wrap the aluminum foil and put it in oven. After baking, wow, it's looking super delicious with a lots of soup. You can eat it with chapati or make spicy rice and broast. Let's check how to do that. Now apply little oil on chicken broast and put it in oven or air fryer for 20 minutes. You can simply fry it again for same results. Now it's time to make spicy rice from leftover soup. Add a little oil and wok and let it splutter. Now add soup and water and wait until it starts boiling. The quantity of soup and water depends upon the quantity of rice. Add 1½ glass of soup plus water for 1 glass of rice. Add rice when soup starts to boil and wait until rice is fully cooked. The rice are done, now let's dish it out. Super yummy looking. And broast is also ready. It's very tender and full of flavors. Garnish with some salad and enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. It's very simple and much yummier than market-bought brosts. It's a must-try recipe. Try and give your feedback. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, take care.